Oh, what a painful week it turned out to be for the market. Eighth straight day of losses on the Nifty, its biggest losing streak in the last 2 years. For the week as well, it has seen a 3% cut, its worst weekly loss in the last 2 months. For the day, although we did manage to defend that 22,900 level, but remember, it did fall below that January low of 22,800. It has done that on a couple of occasions over the last week, but we did manage to recover smartly from those lows. And today was no different. It was Valentine's Day, and the color red was dominating the screens today as well. Look at the broad end of the markets. The pain clearly lies there because the mid cap index has shaved off 7% for the week, and for today itself, the small cap index was down somewhere around 3.5%. Sectorally, all of the indices were in the red, but pharma was the pocket that saw a 3% cut, followed by the PSU banking index that was also down somewhere around 2% or thereabouts. In terms of the movers, Adani Twins continues to see selling pressure for a second day on the trot. 4.5% cut coming in on Adani Ports. Bharat Electronics was a close second. That stock was also down in excess of 3%. Looking at the gainers, they were few and far between. Only a handful of gainers, Britannia and ICICI Bank, were on the gainers list today, and quite a few results reaction on the Nifty 500. You saw stocks like Concord Biotech and Deepak Nitrite losing 15 to 20% apiece on the back of weak numbers. Of course, Trump's reciprocal tariff, that concern was weighing in on the market today. That's why you saw sectors like metals, pharma, autos, all of them selling off. But pharma, of course, was the big laggard. So yes, it was a painful week. Let's see what happens next week. But that was all about the market action. Stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.